flown a drone? It definitely is a learning curve for sure. It's like a lot of things in life that you learn for the first time. It's early. It's really early. It's like 7:30 right now, and I got a busy work day ahead of me. Also, I started editing this video yesterday, and the song that's playing right now, underlying here, yeah, this one. Yeah, I have that stuck in my head. Thank goodness for Epidemic Sounds, because my videos would kind of suck without this music. So flying a drone is a lot like riding a motorcycle. I'll get to that in a little bit. Stick with me here. When I first learned how to fly this drone, and still a little bit to this day, I get a little nervous while flying it because it's not easy. I know at the end of the day, if you crash it, it's only the drone that breaks, it's not you that breaks, but it still makes me nervous. Earlier in the fall, I got this great shot of the drone panning away from me and flying over and catching all the autumn leaves. It's a really great shot. Here it is right now. Let me show it to you. I love that shot, I love that footage, I love that location. Everything seemed to come together. And it was at a moment where I started to feel really confident about my drone flying abilities. Even though I had the confidence, I truly didn't have the skills. 10 minutes after I got that shot, I was trying to maneuver around some trees with the drone, and I crashed it right into some trees. I absolutely decimated the camera, and I had to buy a brand new drone because of that. Riding a motorcycle is a lot like flying a drone because, well, I tend to crash things when I think I have too much confidence in something. Early on, I learned how to ride my iron. I felt really confident. I felt really confident in my abilities, and in the rain, I low-sided, thinking I had every ability to ride in the rain. Every ability to fully pull on the throttle and maintain traction in my rear tire when I shouldn't have. I actually did a video on it about, 2 years ago now, I think. I got it down below, up above. Check it out if you want. And actually the lens that I'm using right now to record this video, I dropped 2 days after I bought it. It's a super expensive lens. My heart dropped as the lens was dropping to the ground. It was like one of those slow motion moments. You can compare this experience to a lot of things in your life. You can see it, you can relate it. You see yourself or somebody else who has learned a new skill and they just absolutely feel like they know everything about it. That confidence is a wonderful thing, but it's also a detriment. It caused me to crash the drone and it caused me to low side my bike because I thought I had confidence in both of those. I guess I'm just putting this video out there just to say, be cautious. Not to say, don't challenge yourself. If I had the mentality that, oh my gosh, I had too much confidence here, I gotta rein myself in, I wouldn't have gone out on the Iron 883 on the Route 66 trip. I wouldn't go on the adventures that I do. You still need to challenge yourself. I wouldn't have taken my iron off-road in unfamiliar areas in Oklahoma and in New Mexico if I had that mentality. You still need to challenge yourself. But in the moment, you just need to have the mentality, I have all the confidence that I can do this, but I just need to rein that in just a little bit. Just a really quick Cup of Joe video for you guys today. I just thought, as long as I was thinking about these things while flying the drone, I might as well put out a quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Keep your wheels rolling in the right direction. I'll see you in the next video.